Like us on Facebook. We have a tremendous amount of resources for you as a patient as you go through your corrective care program. Not only do we give you some resources, exercises, stretches, we break those exercises down for you in video on our Facebook page. We also have educational videos on the scanner that we use to scan your neck. That is a very common question that we get asked. But also we just have updates, events, special events in our office that we post on there. A bunch of pictures of kids and puppies and health-related information. So we kind of try and mix it up to health-related information, educational, but also fun and stuff that's going on inside the office.